SCADA, which stands for Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition, is a system used to monitor and control industrial processes remotely. It's commonly used in sectors like manufacturing, energy, water treatment, and transportation. SCADA gathers real-time data from equipment, enabling operators to control systems and automate processes from a central location. Key components. 1. Sensors. These collect data, such as temperature and pressure, from equipment. 2. RTUs, or remote terminal units, and PLCs, which are programmable logic controllers, are devices that interface with the sensors. They convert sensor data into usable information and send control commands. Communication networks link sensors, RTUs, and the central SCADA system to transmit data. The SCADA master station, or central computer, is where operators monitor and control the system. They use software that processes real-time data and sends commands to the field devices. Human-machine interface, or HMI, is a graphical interface allowing operators to interact with the system, see real-time data, and make decisions. Example 1. Water treatment plant. In a water treatment facility, SCADA can be used to monitor water flow rates, pressure, and chemical levels through sensors. It can automatically open or close valves to regulate water distribution. SCADA systems notify operators about issues like a pump failure or a drop in water quality. They display real-time data on a screen where operators can adjust settings to optimize treatment. Example 2. Power grid. Power companies use SCADA systems to monitor voltage, current, and power generation in real time. They automatically control circuit breakers and manage power distribution between different regions. SCADA systems detect faults or outages, allowing operators to quickly reroute power or dispatch repair teams. They reduce downtime by automating responses to equipment failures or overloads. SCADA systems make these processes more efficient, safer, and less labor-intensive by providing centralized, automated control over complex industrial operations.